Kaya mo na yun, just figure it out to yourself. Kaya naman yung nilagay sa posisyon na yun kasi kaya mo. I really need to go. I'm going to be late. Bye!
Chloe, ay negation pa ba kaya? Jen is undermining the meetings. At si Chloe, unti-unti na siyang disengage.
Well, I see. Ba't nakapag-compile ka na ba ng formal quantitative documentation form? Kasi hindi tayo pwede basta makialam unless merong documented policy violation. And besides, we offer an online excellent course which is managing difficult personalities. And I think that's in module 4. Have you completed that?
Chloe, that online course doesn't teach me how to manage a 15-year veteran who thinks he should have my job. Kailangan ko ng clear conversation with HR at saka si Jenny.
You know, our role is to ensure compliance, Melissa. And we can only address the symptoms and the behavior if thus we finish the necessary forms. And besides, we cannot provide the managerial coaching and internal disagreements. And sa pagkakaalam ko, that's your job.
Hey Charlie, can I ask you something? Yes. Do you ever feel alone? Hindi kasi man ako makahingi ng tulong sa HR o kay Sir Bray.
It's happened to all of us here, Melissa. Color Tech operates our stream model for new managers. Actually, I survived my first year with spending my own money and no one is helping me. Honestly, don't rely on Sarah and David because they only show up when the numbers clear.
Oh my God, that's terrifying.
Another pointless meeting na naman about team synergy. If they want synergy, they should promote someone who knows the job. Hindi yung nakadepende lang sa PowerPoint slide.
Ganun ba to? Ay, nakagalang si Melissa. Alam ba kung make sure sa managerial position? Parang wala kaalam-alam. I can't begin na dito ako sa department na.
Jenny, can you please stop? Hindi ko na matapos-tapos ng gawain ko. All this fighting case, stressing me out. Hindi ko na alam kung kanino ako makikinig. I miss the old structure. Mas maganda pa yung patakaran dati kaysa kayo, di ba?
Yan ang nga problema, Chloe. She has no authority. Wala siyang support na natatanggap galing sa taas, kaya napapansin natin lahat. She's got no teeth. Until HR and Sarah walks in, she's just making noise.
Well, what to expect? Nung unang pasok ko dito, akala ko bago lang din siya. She has no backbone at all in this kind of work.
I'm thinking of looking for another job. Excited pa naman ako sa department na to, but God, the management here is just a train wreck. I need a stable environment with clear leadership now.
Melissa, your group is very disappointing. Your group has been performing very underwhelming. And I've noticed na there's a lot of problems going on. Especially yung resignation ni... Who's your member again?
Jenny.
Yeah, the resignation ni Jenny. Ano nangyayari sa group niyo? Sa department niyo?
Sir Bry, I warned you about Jenny. And the team numbers are low because the team moral is zero. You gave me a title that you would hold every tool. No backing, no mentorship, no clear expectations beyond delivery results. You and HR created this failure by creating a managerial role as an innate trait instead of a skill that needs development.
Alam mo, Melissa, regardless of how you perceive things, ikaw pa rin yung mag-report, ikaw yung may hawak ng responsibility. So we're just going to put you in a performance improvement plan.